Today I am going to show you how to build your custom keyboard using ESP32 Bluetooth feature, and I will also discuss the compatibility issues that you might face in this project while uploading the program. Now you may wonder why we are using only 5 push buttons, not more than or less than it. And the answer is pretty simple. See, if we had used only 4 push buttons, then total possible combination would be 16, which is less than 26 English alphabet letters. But by using 5 push buttons, we are ensuring that all the English letters, which are 26, are covered in these 32 possible combinations, along with some special characters like space bar, enter, comma, full stop, likewise. And it is not strictly necessary to use only 5 push buttons. You could also use 6 push buttons. So total possible combination would be 64. So you can map the rest 32 combination with more number of special characters. So the working of this program is very simple. Just connect the different push buttons to different GPIO pins on the ESP32. And note that when you press the push button, the ESP32 will lead 0, and when not press it, the ESP will lead 1. Because here in the setup function we are using input plug mode. It means the default state of the buttons will be high. And here we are creating the different possible combinations for the push button. So when you press the push button B1, the state will be 0 and other state will be 1. So in this case the output will be letter A. Similarly for letter B. And if you want to print the letter C, you need to press both the push buttons B1 and B2 simultaneously. And it totally depends on you how you want to map these different possible combinations with different English letters and special characters. And you can download this library by using the GitHub link given in the description. From there you need to download a zip file. After downloading that file, go to Sketch and click here Add Zip Library, and finally select your zip file that you just downloaded. So if you are enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I have also started a 50 days series of easy electronics projects. You can check out that on my channel. Now here comes the interesting part. So basically this library is incompatible with the newer versions of the ESP board. So if you upload this program on the newer version of the board, you will get the string error in the terminal, right? So there are two methods to avoid this mistake. First one is go to a board manager, type here ESP32 and downgrade your current version to a lower version. So currently I am using this version 2.0.17 because this library expects 2.0.x version. And if you use the version above this, you will get error. So you may use any of these 2.0.x version of the ESP32 board. The second method is to directly change the content of the C++ file BLE Keyboard.cpp and follow this step to make the program properly compiled. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and you can check out all of my other previous videos on Arduino and ESP32 on my channel, and I will see you in the next one.